Okay, 4, then 6, then 9. Okay, and I look at this one, and again, I tried to make some of these down in this point. Hang on, I didn't read this question. Find the 11th term of the sequence. So I still have to figure out what's happening, and then I'm going to find the 11th term of the sequence, all right? So I can't find the 11th term until I know what's happening, all right? So I look at this. 6 minus 4 is 2, all right? Maybe I think it's adding by 2, but 6 plus 2 is not 9, which means that that's not working. All right, so then what do? Well, 6 over 4. And I'm going to put that in my calculator and reduce it, and it's 3/2. So that means that it's very possible that I'm multiplying by 3/2. So I take my calculator, 6 times 3/2 is 9. All right, so that works. So now here's a situation. Right now, I have 4, 6, 9. I can put blanks under there, I guess. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't want to do that. Of course it did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so for right now, we're just playing around with these. Those are very bad commas. Playing around with these, we're just going to keep multiplying these together until we get to 11. All right, so times 3/2 is 27 over 2 times 3, whoops, clear, times 3 over 2. So this is 27 over 2. This is 81 over 4 times 3 over 2, 243 over 8. And I just keep going. Now, kind of half the point I'm trying to make here is this would be a lot easier if I had a formula, which we're going to do next. The next couple of things, 729 over 16 times, whoops, 2187 over 32. We're going to stop right there. I'm going to change that question. 2187 over 32. I'm going to change that to find the 8th term. 11th was a bit excessive there. All right, so we're going to change this to find the 8th term. Yours will say 8th term. Find the 8th term, all right? So if you had to find more terms, you just continue the patterns. That's what I'm trying to show you here. We'll eventually have a formula, so we don't have to write it out like that. But sometimes it's just faster to write it out, all right? This one probably wouldn't be because I'm getting all these fractions, all right, to write it out. But it's possible that you may just want to write them out if you have extra time and you don't want to have to play around trying to figure out a formula.